This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
And I'm Taylor Kincaid. Thanks for tuning in. And Gary, thanks for being with us today.
Thank you for having me.
Now, our question today has a little bit of a backstory. It says, I went to a repair shop to swap out my engine, which was still under warranty, and they didn't do the repairs that they claimed. Now it's blown again, and the mechanic has blocked me from contacting him. What can I do?
Yeah, good question. And this gives me an opportunity to talk about two or three things. One, let's talk about what your case might be based on. So it could be a breach of contract. You had a contract to do something, they didn't do it. Could be based on negligence, they did a bad job of doing it. It could be based on fraud in this case. You know, you were told something was done and it wasn't done. So lots going on there, and those are your civil remedies. But where do you bring this case? You know, what do you do with it? And before you do, what do you need? So people call me about things like this, and you say, well, what are your damages? Mm-hmm. And he says, well, I don't know. I want him to fix it. Well, you can't make someone do a good job for you, right? So all you can really do is give them a chance to fix it, do right, and then if they don't, you take it somewhere else. And when you do that, you get two or three things. One, you get a witness. Mm-hmm. You've got somebody in the business who says, if they will, I mean, it's hard to get them sometimes, but they'll say, yeah, this isn't what they did. I had to fix this thing that should have been fixed before. So now you have proof of the breach, you know, proof of the violation. So you also have damages. You know what it cost. I gave you a chance to fix it. You wouldn't do it. I had to spend $2,500 to get it fixed on my own. And that's what I want from you in my damages case. So you got to have evidence, you got to have damages, and then you got to, you know, bring the case somehow. But I like being able to say, I gave you a chance to fix it.
Yeah, and so while this is frustrating, what is that next step? This has happened, now what?
So a lot of that depends on the damages. So if it's a big deal, and big deal's relative, but let's just say the $2,500 fixes it. Look, go to small claims court. Yeah. You don't need a lawyer for that. Here in Columbus and Phoenix City, we have great judges who do a great job kind of mediating these things, getting them resolved, you know, not mediating, but actually deciding the case based on the facts and the damages. So I would not hesitate to file that lawsuit. They'll help you get it filed, and then you'll get a day in court. And in some of the courts, you get an automatic appeal if it doesn't go, but it's just a great way to try and resolve things. Now, collecting the money, that's a whole nother
sometimes
deal.
That's tricky, right? Well, good advice, and
Thank
again,
you.
It's going to be an expensive thing, but hopefully that will save them some money with those tips.
There you go.
Yeah, thank you so much, and we'll see you all on the next Legal Break.
This has been Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.